And Danville town leaders are putting out a plea tonight as the number of COVID-19 cases spike in that community. They say it's more important than ever to follow the guidelines. A growing number of businesses are now publicly defying the health order. As NBC Bay Area's Jodi Hernandez reports, at least one business has already been cited.
If they wanted to grab their food and go outside, I'm not going to tell them where to eat their food.
Matt DELIMA of Danville's Kickin' Mule Bar and Kitchen says he got hit with a $250 citation this morning for allowing people to eat outside. He plans to appeal because he thinks the sidewalk area where his tables are set up is a public space. He'll continue allowing customers to eat there.
I'm going to do what I got to do to pay my rent because I'm legally obligated by a contract for the next 7 years on my lease.
Across the street, Revel Kitchen and Bar is taking a different approach. Though business is slow, they're sticking with takeout only and closely following the health order.
We try and just do what's safest for all of our guests and what the guidelines have been given. We try and abide as best we can by them.
The bottom line is that we've all got to pull together.
The Danville town manager is imploring people to follow the rules. He says he understands businesses are on the edge of financial ruin, but says COVID cases are surging.
Going from having 25 cases to having 170, pretty significant growth rate, and we're not really able to put our finger on where it's coming from.
We caught up with the police chief out trying to encourage people to follow the guidelines and order takeout. He says issuing citations isn't something he wants to do.
These are people that I see every day. These are businesses that I shop at every day. I understand the pain that this causes, but I also understand the goal of keeping that infection rate down and keeping people out of the hospital.
Some businesses have chosen to temporarily close. Norm's Place has gone into hibernation. But Kickin' Mule next door says they'll keep kicking, despite the fines.
I don't think there's any relation to outside dining that is going to contribute more to COVID cases than it would if there's 400, 500 people in Walmart.
In Danville, Jodi Hernandez, NBC Bay Area News.